Oh God. Okay, right. I'm not gonna be able to leave the house for a week. This is Beauty or Bust, where we test out the beauty world's weirdest products and decide if they're worth your money or a total bust. Today I'm testing out DIY lash extensions. I found Lashify on Instagram where I was actually really surprised to see that a lot of celebrities use them, like Kristen Bell, Lupita Nyong'o, and Aquafina. So I'm gonna try out the kit along with a few other products in the line. Lashify says that apparently you can wear them for up to a week if you fuse them. So I'm gonna find out what that means and give it a go. We'll be testing the lash extensions on 3 things: if they're easy to apply and remove, how they wear throughout the week, and if they harm my natural lashes. I've actually had professional lash extensions, so I know that they're pretty pricey, it's a lot of upkeep, and mine actually harm my natural lashes. Because of all that, this DIY lash extension kit seems a little bit too good to be true, but I guess we'll find out. So the first step is this pre-cleanse, which actually isn't included in the kit. It's a little bit extra, but I just wanted to make sure I had the entire thing so I have the best chance. I'm going to apply the Whisper Light Flexible Hold in white or black. I'm gonna be very careful with reading the directions here because this is my eyeball we're talking about. To the underside of upper lashes, concentrated at the root. I'm gonna apply a heavier coat because I want it to last a week. So I go here, tap, tap, tap. Remove your gossamer lashes from the cartridge using the Fuse Control wand. Got it. Using the wand, place your gossamer lashes under the base of your top lashes, not on your tight line. Okay, here we go. I could never play Operation as a child because my hands are that shaky, so this should be very interesting. Oh, frick. Oh God. I did it. Okay, I got a little confidence boost. The first one was so easy, now I have to line them up. The kit just comes with the black gossamer lashes, but I really like color, and clearly I'm wearing a bright green shirt. So I thought I would just get a few of the colors, and today I'm going with purple. The good thing about these is like you can just sort of like stick it on and it will attach, and then you can sort of like move it around. So I really think the glue is like super great in that sense. So to make sure we all like stick on, I'm just gonna put a little bit more of glue on the ones that are kind of like moving around, just to make sure that they stay. And then we'll do the fusing step, which is supposed to make them like really stay. Oh, frick! I got it stuck on the actual lash. Oh God. I got too cocky. I got way too cocky too fast. Okay, crisis averted. We have one eyeball finished. At least, before we fuse. Using the clamp on the Fuse Control wand to fuse the gossamer lashes with your natural lashes. I think just like a falsie, you're just supposed to like clamp it together with your natural lashes and the extension. Oh Christ. Oh gosh. Oh no. Oh my God! No! Oh God, help me, please. Why did that happen? I was just supposed to clamp and hold like I was told. seal and finish clear coat. That is our next step. Okay, so this should be easy because it looks like a mascara wand. Okay, I'm done with my left eye. I gotta be done. Say lovey. This is gonna be harder because I'm left-handed. As if the last time wasn't hard. We made it to the end. I truly never thought we would. So through the next week, I'm gonna try them out. I'm gonna work out in them. I'm gonna cry in them because I cry at least 3 times a day. So they're really gonna get a good test. And pretty much do whatever I do and see how my lashes hold up. It's been over 24 hours. It's 100 degrees. I walked around a bunch today and I slept a full night last night and I just lost my first one. It's this purple one here. I haven't taken it off yet. And there we go. There she is, folks. Guys, last night was a massacre for these lashes. Oh no. I lost 4 in my sleep. I went to the gym and I didn't lose any at the gym. I was like dripping in sweat, doing my thing, really wasn't worrying about them, and I didn't lose any until I got home, and this is where we are. Granted, I haven't touched them at all. Hi guys, so obviously as you saw, all of my lashes fell out, so what day is it? It's Wednesday, so today I'm just gonna reapply, and then we're gonna see how much longer they can last from there. Okay, I'm done. I can't do this anymore. This is what we look like. I'm actually testing a new skincare routine for a video, so. I came in a room by myself at work because I've lost more lashes. Here we are. I keep getting comments that they look very strange. I think I'm just gonna end up taking them off and going back to my normal lashes now. So looking at ease of application and removal, I would say that there's definitely a learning curve here. I had a little bit of trouble at first, but I think as I kept going and going, I got a lot more natural and it got a lot easier to do. So I think as you go on, it would get a lot easier, and maybe someone who is a bit more experienced than me would have an easier time than I did to start. On the other hand, they were incredibly easy to remove. They just sort of came off when I wanted them to. I could easily just take them off like this and they were gone. When looking at how the lashes lasted me for the week, they definitely didn't last me the full week, but the days that they did last me, they looked beautiful. I got a ton of compliments and I loved having them on. The first time I applied them, they lasted me about 4 days, which I was pretty happy with. Once they fell off, I ended up having to take a few off myself just because one was poking me in the eye. But once I reapplied them again at home, they lasted me about 2 days. So we almost hit a week overall. My favorite thing about the Lashify lash extensions was that they didn't harm my natural lashes one bit. With professional eyelash extensions, I lost about half of my natural lashes, so it was really great that I didn't lose any with these. Overall, I think the Lashify lash extensions are definitely worth your money. I would buy them, I would use them again, and it's a lot better than having to go to the salon and spend a lot more for less of the flexibility. I wouldn't expect them to last a week because they didn't for me. As you saw, there's a bit of a learning curve, but I think once you get it down, they're perfect for like a wedding weekend or anything where you just want to glam up your look a little bit.